A substantial number of ETH holders have given up their coins in the last 4 weeks after the Alcon failed to stay above the $2,000 price level for Apple forward to the present. And that sell pressure has subsided near the $1,800 price range. With a sharp rally ensued the last time that ETH ran out of sell pressure after experiencing some downside. This time the price was less enthusiastic after finding support at the $10,790 price level. Recent data suggested that whales might be holding back ETH bulls. Addresses holding over 1,000 ETH have reportedly been disinterested in reaccumulating ETH at its current level, and made that number of addresses holding 1K plus coins just reached a 6-month low of 6,435. About next to the fact that it has loan and the largest turned down to the news story, and it sounds deaf. The central venture were, and then Umetric today, 2 PS, tied off the CNXR, 125, are Freedy after fine, and 10 Glassnode alerts, May 16th, 2023. And over ETH's supply distribution metric confirmed that most of the whale categories holding at least 1,000 ETH had been contributing to sell pressure. Despite this observation, addresses holding over 10 million coins have been accumulating during the last 4 weeks. This category of addresses controlled 17.75% of all ETH in circulation at press time. These addresses holding over 10 million ETH have not influenced the market because the number of addresses might be very few. Alternatively, it is possible that those addresses belong. It is when, and with a PAT. And Ethereum exchange reserves have been experiencing outflows. The next logical explanation was that they were likely staking addresses. The number of ETH 2.0 deposits has been on the rise in the last 4 weeks, as denoted below in red. ETH demand pulled back significantly in the last 10 days, indicating a lack of excitement. The level of leverage saw a bit of an uptick in the second week of May, just as 8B's price adopted more downside. This was likely due to short selling. However, it is conveniently pulled back in the last 5 days, which was around the same time that the burrs ran out. Enable their hey buy plan instead of the last days, or also find it in the moment. And that way it means that we're not running up a lone government partners. And then also we're another class table. We have the resonance and all the records. ETH's price action reflected the current stalemate in the market. Traded at 1,018.25 at press time and has been trading in a sideways pattern for the last 5 days. And low demand, despite the recent discount that ETH has received in the last 4 weeks, explains why ETH bulls are currently struggling to regain their strength. This lack of confidence was also evident in many of the top cryptocurrencies.